Menteri Rangba Conrad ki Sangma ulaong ba kamang Tyngka jong senam arhajar arpusan arhajar apun riu kum kamang Tyngka jong kipat ba lani ka people's budget haba keren skala patai kubor hadin ba lawan ra ai kamang Tyngka hayeng dorbar thau a ne kesngi Conrad ulaong ba ka focus plus program ka temu na kabentaki nong rep Ula pentip ru ba ka sorkar jelakan sedang ya ka CM scholarship scheme kaban pen mentoy ki kena pulih Ula pentip ru bagi program kum ka CM Ashoz kan pen mentoy yakin nong rep ha kapor bagi kendu jeng kat kum Conrad baru ki program bala kedawa ka jeng keren ka jong Halor ka roi kapar jong ki jaka yele akai kan la ban yarap ya ki samla
That programs like CM Assure, this is meant for the farmers during their distress. We have kept, last year itself we kept 100 crores. This year again we are adding another 50 crores. So we'll have a pool of 100 plus crores in this kitty. And as per requirement, we'll keep topping this up. But this money will be available to help farmers during their distress that is there. All the programs I've mentioned in the discussions in the speech, if you look at it, whether it is if you look at the programs for the sports that we're going to create, these are all infrastructures that are going to directly support the youth and give the opportunity to the youth.
Haba jubab ya ka jeng keren jong lat ha